Namaskar students. C2 compounds we already discussed ethylene dichloride. Now today we are going to discuss about vinyl chloride. So first of all let's discuss about properties. Vinyl chloride, its IUPAC name is chloroethane. Formula CH2 double bond CHCl, or we can say C2H3Cl. Okay. Molecular weight you can find out by its formula 62.5. Melting point minus 153, around minus 153.8 degrees Celsius. Boiling point minus 13 point, it is 13.6 or 7 8 degrees Celsius. Appearance colorless gas. Okay. Flash point minus 77 degree centigrade. Explosive limit lower 5%, upper 23%. Maximum toxicity limit 500 ppm, and last one is that is density 0.983 gram per centimeter cube. So these are the physical properties of vinyl chloride. Now let's discuss about methods of production. So first method is acetylene HCl reaction. Second method is ethylene dichloride thermal pyrolysis, and third one is ethylene dichloride caustic reaction. Ethylene dichloride caustic reaction. Okay, so basically we are only discuss first and second method, or these two methods are in our syllabus. Now we discuss here acetylene HCl reaction, hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. So first method, chemical reaction, acetylene CH triple bond CH plus HCl gives CH2 double bond CHCl. Simple. Acetylene hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, vinyl chloride. So basically what are the raw materials? Simple, this one. So raw material acetylene HCl, carbon pellets with HgCl2 as catalyst, stabilizer, electricity, heating fluid. So the temperature and pressure of this reaction is almost 160 to 200 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure, which is maintained in catalytic tubular reactor. So raw materials, chemical reaction of acetylene HCl reaction. Now let's discuss about the flow sheet of acetylene HCl reaction. First of all, the main two reactants are or raw material are acetylene and HCl. So first of all, we can mix with a jet mixing and form a vapor. So it goes to a tubular catalytic reactor. So first of all, acetylene HCl, this is jet mixing. Okay, so from here it goes through catalytic tubular reactor. Okay, so it is catalytic tubular reactor. So tube are arranged vertically. Okay, so the temperature pressure condition is, you know already, 1 atm 200 degree Celsius. Now from here it goes to stripper. It goes to stripper. Stripper. From here the product gases from here goes to stripper. From here unconverted materials, unconverted HCl and acetylenes are recycled back and purge gas is taken from the top. So from here recycle, which kind of HCl plus C2H2 materials. After that, in tubular catalytic reaction we required a heating fluid. So Dow-Therm heating fluid in, because to maintain the temperature, here in and here it out. Stripping, there must be a some temperature we have to maintain. After that it is sent to a, product gases are sent to a refrigerated fractionator. Refrigerated fractionator. From refrigerated fractionator, from the top, from the bottom, we got heavy ends, storage, from this EDC is taken from the bottom of the end and aldehydes from here. Okay, from the top of the fractionator our product vinyl chloride is taken and stored, but before taking out we have to use stabilizer to stabilize our product. Okay, so basic two materials acetylene HCl jet mixing and are vapor blended and sent to a catalytic tubular reactor in which carbon pellets with HgCl2 is used as catalyst in this reactor. The condition is 180 m and pressure is 180 m and temperature is maintained around 160 to 200 and 15 degrees centigrade. So from this our product gases are sent to a stripper. From these unconverted gases are recycled back to jet mixing and purged gases are removed from the top. After that it is refrigerated, sent to a refrigerator fractionator from where bottom of the fractionator heavy ends are removed like ethylene dichloride and aldehydes, and from the top of the fractionator our product vinyl chloride is removed with some stabilized material. So this is the basic flow sheet of vinyl chloride. This is our product. Okay, now uses vinyl chloride is the monomer for polyvinyl chloride. That means it is the basic raw material for polyvinyl chloride. That we can say it is a PVC. So it is used for making PVC pipes, kitchenware and some automobile parts. Okay, got it? These are the simple uses of vinyl chloride. So simple uses is to make polyvinyl chloride, and from polyvinyl chloride it is used for manufacturing of PVC pipes, kitchenware, that means in plastic kitchenware, and some automobile parts. Now major engineering problems. Major engineering problems, there is a excessive corrosion unless dry HCl. Okay, so that means our system is dry or dry system. And catalyst deterioration. Catalyst deterioration is the major problem with and replacement. So these are the two problems, and avoiding polymerization of monomer. Third problem is I can write here, avoiding polymerization of monomer. Which monomer? Vinyl chloride. Okay, so these are the basic problem number 1, problem number 2 and problem number 3. Okay, got it? Here we end vinyl chloride. Next lecture we will discuss about ethylene oxide. C2 compound, third compound. Okay, thank you.